This video shows how to use the Services add-in for Outlook. After having booked our meeting room, we can begin to request services. The Services add-in is our service package that allows you to order items such as food, AV equipment, and other facility services your organization may be able to offer. This needs to be a separate process because you can only order items after you send out the meeting invitation and that it's been confirmed by the meeting room. At first, we have the meeting room the order will be delivered to. In case we have booked multiple rooms under the same event, here we can choose where we would like the order to be delivered to. Next, we choose a provider to order from. As we would like to order breakfast items, we'll choose Aalborg Catering. Then we choose our category, which is breakfast, and select the items we would like to order. I will choose bagels and coffee for all attendees for this event. We can see the itemized list here. Next, we have our delivery options where we can choose a delivery time. For example, if this was a 3-hour meeting, we can have some snacks delivered midway. There are also 2 delivery methods: on location, which is where the items will be delivered to your meeting room, or pickup, where you, the meeting owner, will pick up the items at the provider. If you have any additional requests, they can be entered in the comment field here. Let's continue. The last field talks about tax information. For some cases, you may need to charge the items to a certain cost center, project number, or line of business. This one will be charged to development. Now you can place your order and see that it's been successfully sent to the provider and it is waiting for approval. If you need to edit the order, it can be done the same place here. Also, since AskCody is built on top of Microsoft Exchange, if your meeting is rescheduled, AskCody's Follow the Meeting intelligence will automatically find the meeting and update the order items accordingly.